Walking tour we got with Valerie was quite interesting, really was, because she was full of information, wasn't she?
Yeah, but she was so funny.
But we have as well La Belle Époque. La Belle Époque. Do you know this word?
Oh, I think my dad knows that one.
19th century, we call that La Belle Époque.
Oh, really?
Where, you know, the women, they were wearing long traditional dresses, very elegant. That's why the first weekend in June every year we have the Belle Époque festival.
Right, we'll book the belly pork in.
I was going to say...
When was it, Valerie? Yeah, I thought she said belly pork. I mean, I thought, I'm off to this one. Did she not? What did she mean?
Well, Graham, Belle Époque literally means beautiful age, which was the name given in France to the period between 1871 leading up to the start of World War I. This era was widely celebrated by the wealthier classes and was synonymous with luxury and refinement. Not belly pork, Graham.
Well, she was looking at me a bit puzzled, you know. And
I bet she was.
What was he going on about? What?